Allen won classes 1 and 2 of the girls 4x100 meters relays. They outsprinted Heidel 46.79 and Homer Technical 46.88 to win Class 1 in 45.68 seconds. The Frankfield girls were also dominant in Class 2, winning comprehensively in 45.34. St. Jago were second in 46.23 and Heidel ended third in 46.70. St. Jago and Alphonsus Davis picked up 2 wins each. St. Jago claimed the girls' Class 3 4x100 meters and the Class 2 4x200 meters. They won the sprint relay in 46.10 ahead of Edwin Allen 46.19 and Heidel 46.67. The Monk Street-based girls clocked 1 minute 35.48 to get the better of Wilma's girls, 1 minute 35.72 and Immaculate Conception High, 1 minute 39.45. Alphonsus Davis won the 4x800 meters in 9 minutes 02.83 seconds ahead of Edwin Allen and Homer Technical. They also created history, winning the first ever mixed relays to be run at the Gibson McCook relays. They clocked 3 minutes 32.83, getting the better of Homer Technical and Edwin Allen. Meanwhile, Jamaica College won one of the 4 sprint relays that all had different winners. They bagged Class 4 in 45.86 seconds ahead of St. Jago 45.92 and Kingston College 46.28. JC's other wins came in the Sprint Medley Open and the 4x800 meters Open. They retained their Sprint Medley title in 3 minutes 30.13 seconds, getting the better of Titchfield, 3 minutes 32.95, and Fogo Road High, 3 minutes 33.56. While they reigned against rivals Casey and Calabar in the 4x800 meters, getting across the line in 7 minutes 45.87 seconds. St. Jago, Casey, and the Flying Angels out of Canada won 2 events each. St. Jago won the boys' Class 1 sprint relay in 40.45 seconds, ahead of Excelsior 40.47 and Jamaica College 40.90. The boys from Monk Street also bagged the Class 3 4x200 meters title, winning in 1 minute 32.15, ahead of Jamaica College 1 minute 32.27 and Kingston College 1 minute 34.94. Flying Angels won the boys' classes 1 and 2 4x200 meters titles. The Canadians landed Class 1 in 1 minute 26.88 with Calabar second and Herbert Morrison Technical third. In Class 2, they clocked 1 minute 27.72 to get the better of Kingston College and Excelsior High. And Casey won the Class 4 title in 1 minute 36.95 seconds. Calabar and Herbert Morrison finished second and third, respectively. The Purples from North Street brought the curtains down, winning the boys 4x400 meters in style in 3 minutes 09.46 seconds, ahead of JC 3 minutes 11.36 and Calabar 3 minutes 11.97 seconds. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
McCook Relay's Primetime Sports Report brought to you by